Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a little bit of an improvement on the image scanner that I created, or the not image scanner but image scraper. So what I've done here is I've created an empty list called store images. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to store all the URLs into that. So basically we start off, we create a function called scan images or image scraper or whatever, create a variable called URL and assign it to input so the user can enter in the URL. We use the request module here, which you will have to import using pip, and we also use the regex here. So we type in a variable called response and we assign it to request get URL. Then we create a separate variable here called image URLs, and we use the regex find all, and we use this regex pattern here and response.text to get the URLs. And then we use the for loop and go through the URLs, and then what we do is we store the images here dot append image URLs. So any image URLs we found, we append it or store it in the store images list here. And then what we do is we jump here to this next function called image store. Once we've done that, it'll come down here, and then what it will do, it will print out the stored images. So let's work this program, shall we? Let's just do this. Let's type in a URL. In fact, I don't want it too big. And there you go, it's done it. So there you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that quick video, and I'll catch you in another one. Bye-bye.